Yep, now I would like to show you a demonstration about my biometric monitoring system. And as you can see, there are 7 buttons in the main dashboard, and each of them represents an individual sensor from the eHealth kit. And this is the GSR conductance sensor, GSR resistance, and GSR conductance voltage. This is the airflow sensor, ECG sensor, EMG sensor, and body temperature sensor. And now I would like to take the airflow sensor as an example to show you how the website works. So we click and enter the individual page of the airflow sensor. And if we click this button, we will start the active mode of the sensor, and then your airflow wave will be shown in real time as a figure. And before doing that, we will first get the time interval, which means we can see the simple period of this sensor, and it is set to 100 milliseconds. But if you think this is too long, if you want to improve the simple rate, you can change at here. So now you can set the simple period as 60 milliseconds. And it's success. And now we can start the active mode of the airflow sensor. Now I would like to wear the airflow sensor and start the active mode of it. And I will take a deep breath like this. Now I started. And then and my respiration is showing us signals in the web page. Now I would like to switch to the environment monitoring platform, and data from the smart home sensors would be shown and updated in every 3 seconds. And now we switch to it, and we can see 1, 2, 3, it changes, and 1, 2, 3, it changes, and 1, 2, 3, it changes. So the data would be updated automatically every 3 seconds. And if we want to enter the individual page of the temperature sensor, we enter. And if we want to get a temperature, we click this button, and here it is. It's 20 degrees. And if we want to get the time interval, this is the time period of the active mode of the sensor. It is set to 1 second. And we can see the color of the knob is corresponding with the temperature. So if the temperature is low, the color would be green and blue. But if the temperature is high, it would be orange or red. So let's try. If the temperature is about 35 degrees, it becomes a red color, and the notification would be hot. And if we start the active mode, it will be shown like this. Yes. And that's it. Now I would like to show you the software running on the Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi shows the control GUI of the choreographer, as it does not support a browser to display web pages. Some graphical services are created in our window which can be used to manage the sensors, like the temperature, the humidity, the illumination, motion, ECG, something like that. And by doing so, users can interact with the sensors without the need of accessing the web page. And now I would like to connect the environmental sensors. Here we connect, and then if we want to get a data from the temperature sensor, we can get it's the same, but if we try the illumination sensor, we can get 1. If we get the time interval is set to 1 second, and if we want to start the active mode, here it is, and we stop. That's it.